Hello, welcome back to the EBS-50 tutorials. I'm Jurgen Rodenhuis, one of the developers of the software. And today we're going to take a look at the default database and what you can do to edit that database. Now, if you get the EBS-50, this is the default database that is on there. A MySQL database filled with dummy products. And if you go to the Products tab, you'll see the screen that I have in front of me now, a paginator showing all of the products with a search bar at the top, the number of items per page, just to get everything working on your page the way you like it. If you're working on a mobile device, you might want to have fewer records. So, okay, that is the database. Now, one of the cool things about the ESL server system is that this database is the source of the data that ESLs show. So if you go to the ESL page, we have an EBS-40 that is connected to a product. That is this actual EE420R label. And it is now showing information about Bonduelle carrots, product item 001. Now, the neat thing is that if you change anything in your database, you do not need to update the ESL yourself. The software is smart enough to understand, hey, there was a change in the database, there's an ESL showing information from that database file, and since it's updated, I'll need to show new information as well. So, the easiest way is to go to that product tab that we were at just a second ago. And this line here is the line we want to edit, so we click the little pencil to edit the row. And we can say, oh, we just want to call it carrots. And right now it's at a discount, so we want to take that away as well. We just say it's the default sell price. And then we can click the floppy icon to save the edits. The line turns yellow to indicate that it is a change towards the original files. And if I now go back to the ESL column, we'll see that the EE420R will start showing a new image. It is now queued, it has been rendered automatically. Under status we can see it is pending, and the unit polls every 20 seconds, so just now it polled. It received information from the EBS-50. Hey, I've got a new image for you. I'll start uploading it to you right now. So the EE420R just received its latest information. It starts updating the screen. And we didn't have to change anything. The ESL server did all the work for us, and we just had to say, I want to edit something in the database. So that's one way to do it. Anyone who is walking around in the store with a handheld device with a browser can connect to the EBS-50 and change it. Another way to talk to the database is through the API. Now, you can use any API client. I'm using a plugin for Firefox here. I'm doing a GET request on the IP address of the EBS-50 that I have in front of me, /API/products, and I'm giving my API key to gain access. All information about the API keys is part of the users and roles tutorial. Check the playlist if you want more information. So if we now send that request, the ESL server says back to us, yeah, that's an okay request, and I'm giving you all of the information I have, all of the products. Well, the very product that we want to use is 001, which was the Bonduelle carrots, which is this product. We can update a single field of the product, or we can update the entire product. I am going to post the entire product. So I'm going to say that I'm going to send it some JSON. And in the body, I place that JSON file in the same formatting that the ESL server gave it to us. And I'm like, no, that lower price that we did, I don't agree with that. The new name I will keep. So we change the product and we say send. We get a 200 OK result. So now we've changed the database through the API. Now, if we go back to our ESLs page, we'll see that the changes that we made through the API are now sent to the ESL server, and it's saying that the image is pending. In other words, once this ESL connects to the base station and asks it for information about an update, the database will say, yeah, I've got an update for you, and it will send the new image. So that's the two ways that you can edit the database through the ESL server. In another tutorial, I showed you how you can access the onboard MySQL database through the SSH tunnel and how to set it open. Check the advanced connection tutorial for more information. If you have any further questions about the EBS-50, you can contact Opticon. If you want more tutorials, you can check the playlist in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.